I worked up the courage once again to submit my art for the Federal Duck Stamp Competition. For my submission, I chose the common merganser. As I'm sure you know, mergansers can be difficult to observe since they spend much of their time diving for fish in the middle of ponds, with their legs and hindquarters often obscured underwater. But I did the best I could to make a 100% lifelike rendering. So without further ado, my drawing of a pair of common mergansers in the winter. And no, this is not a photo. Let me know if you have any constructive criticism and wish me good luck.